Hi everyone, my name is Ramaraju from CSA of BTech second year in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Now I am going to tell about some interview questions on Node.js. These are the questions that are most oftenly asked and some basic and on some basic important concepts in Node.js. But first of all, what is Node.js? Node.js is a special tool that let you turn JavaScript on your that let you run JavaScript on your computer. Okay. It uses Google's V8 engine, same as Chrome, to run the JavaScript code. It is open source and works on different operating systems. It fasten because it uses event-driven and non-blocking approach. This means it does not wait for things to finish and can handle many things at once. Okay, this is the example of it. Now the next question is event-driven and non-blocking input output. Okay, Node.js uses event loop to process task synchronization without waiting. Okay, this is the example regarding to event driven and non-blocking. Now the third question is second question. Node.js does not wait for the read file to finish. It moves on and logs reading file while reading happens in the background. Okay, the reading happens in the Node.js in the background. Okay. Third question is require versus import functions. Require means common JS, synchronous, etc. Import means ES6 modules, asynchronization, etc. That means future require import type common JS ES module, synchronous yes or no, using only type module. Okay. The fourth question is middleware in Express.js. Middleware function access request response and next objects and can modify request response to terminate the request response cycle. Okay. Middleware are nothing but the functions that run between receiving a request and sending a response. Okay. This is the example regarding to middleware. Express in JS. Okay. The fifth question is streams in Node.js. Streams are nothing but they handle the data in chunks or useful for large data. Streams are useful for large data. Okay. Streams handle continuous data flow. Types include readable, writable, duplex and transform. Okay. Streams are mainly used for large data types. Okay. This is the example regarding streams. Okay. The sixth question is about process function. Process dot next tick versus settle mediate versus. Okay, these are the functions, differences between the functions. Okay, these all the functions are delayed in execution but in different ways. Function when it runs process dot next tick right after the current task finishes. When the current task finishes, process dot next tick will be executed. Select immediate. Next event loop. Okay, executes in the next event loop iteration. Select timeout, executes after specific time. Okay, these are the definitions about these functions and examples regarding them. Okay, now the seventh question is about exception handling in Node.js. We have seen exception handling in Java and many other programming languages. Now exception handling in Node.js is nothing but try catch, error first callbacks, promises and catches, process on. Okay. Okay, try catch is nothing use it for synchronization code. Error catch callbacks like error results tends to. Okay, these are some basic exception handling things that we have already seen in the basic programming language like Java, C, etc. Built-in modules in JS. Okay, built-in modules in JS are nothing but FS means file system, HTTP means server creation, URL and path works with URLs and file paths. Events are nothing but create custom events. OS is system info. Stream is nothing but work with the data streams. Okay, examples of it: synchronization versus asynchronic functions. Synchronous means Okay, wait a minute. Synchronous means blocking, asynchronous means non-blocking. Okay, these are the example of it. And child process in Node.js. Use child process module to swap new process. Child process are used to swap the new process. Okay, use the child process module to run system commands or create sub process. Okay, it uses child modules to run the system commands or create sub process. Okay, these are the basic questions asked in Node.js interviews. Thank you.